You brush it so gentle, I love it.
Here you go. Let me test on that for you.
Thank
Ooh,
you.
yeah.
I'm excited for today. I figured, you know, since Andrey already cuts my hair, why not style it as well? Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
He's excited. I think he's pretty confident. I think over the years, you probably have picked up the tips and tricks that I do to style my hair.
I think styling the hair I can do.
Okay, so we're gonna style my hair using the flat iron. I haven't done my waves using a flat iron in a hot minute, especially on my longer hair. So we're gonna do this together. I'm gonna do one side, he's gonna do the other. We're gonna do it by section.
Yeah, let's do it. And you can make commentary if I'm doing something different.
Like cutting my hair. Okay. I'm gonna set it to 365. I've already prepped my hair using the Bumble and Bumble, the hairdresser's invisible oil hair primer. And then just using the Tangle Teaser. I think that's the ultimate finisher, right? And I have hair in here because I'm still shedding from postpartum. Okay, so what's the first step, babe?
What are we doing? 3 sections?
Whatever you want. Section it off?
Yeah, section it off. 3 sections.
3 sections. That's usually what I go for.
Should I be going first then? So.
Yeah, I wanna see if you...
And then you do yours.
Yeah.
And then you can say what you're doing different from me.
Okay, that's a fun take. Let's do it. Okay, so you can keep to the left side of my head,
Yeah.
which is your right. So my
This side.
Yes, your side right here. And
Got
then
it.
the right side is gonna be my side. And I want alternating waves.
No, I want alternating waves.
Okay.
So we're going for tight or loose?
In the middle.
In the middle. Okay, so just grab a section.
You got this. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I'm like sweating.
You are.
Yeah.
And then we're just going to twist about 45 degrees and come down with the hair. Just like that.
45 degrees, okay. Wow, feels like you were going forever. How does it look?
Looks good.
Yeah?
Kind of a medium type of wave.
That's what I wanted. Okay. We don't want tight, we don't want too loose either.
Yeah.
Right in between.
So I just twist. Oh, and we went alternating though, right?
I mean, you're the one that said you wanted alternating. You took the words right out of my mouth.
So now I have to go the other way. I have to go on this way. And come down like that.
I can't wait to see this. I feel like you're going very fast.
And again, just like that. And just calm down that hair.
And what do we do with the hair in the very front? Is it towards my face or away?
This is gonna be away.
Nice. Look at you, professional. I feel like you need to do a course.
The only complication here is, so it's towards your face, right?
No, away from my face. Even though we're alternating, the first section is always away from my face.
So we're going to go the same direction, I guess.
I'll help you by holding my ear away from you. Oh, that looks good. I can see it in the mirror.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's see what you're gonna do.
I feel like a lot of it is very loose though.
Loose? You want it a little more tighter?
No, like, it looks good, babe. Looks good. You just straightened it more.
Oh yeah, I did.
That looks great.
Maybe I should have practiced more.
I mean, you've never practiced. It's your first time ever doing it.
Let's see how you do now. I'm gonna grade you.
You're gonna grade me. Okay, so I'm just taking section of hair and I'm also going down, taking this away,
That's what I was doing.
and then just very gently dragging it down. Did you do a full twist or half a twist? I'm trying to keep it similar to yours. Andrey is telling me if I'm doing a good job. I love this for you. I love this for me, actually.
I'm just talking as an engineer. Heat transfer.
Heat transfer goes slower. to get the best results. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, we deal with things twisting all the time.
Okay.
You know,
How's that?
we control the amount of heat, the rate of heat.
Which side looks better? Yours or mine?
Yours was, I think I messed one up at this little section right here.
I'm not gonna say anything.
I have to redo this one.
If you think you need to.
I turned myself, my hands got turned around on that one.
If you think you need to, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm gonna redo this section right here.
Do you think you're a perfectionist, babe?
It depends for what. Like, I'm not gonna be a perfectionist on everything because I do consider amount of time that it needs to be done on. But if it's like an important piece, detail, then yeah, I'm gonna take my time.
We're now to the next section. And I always like to start from the back, because you guys saw Andrey do the same thing.
That was your trick.
He took my trick and used
Your
it.
trick, yeah. For me, the hard part, like right now, is
The way you need to hold it.
yeah, because I'd have to play with it a little bit. It's not natural for me the other way.
Okay, interesting.
Or
And
I have to figure out how to do it.
And I'm taking slightly bigger sections as well. I think styling the hair with a flat iron on yourself, it really helps to practice with a cold tool in front of a mirror. Just because the first several times I did my hair using a flat iron, hot mess. My sister Karina, that's my baby sister, she's the one that actually taught me how to style my hair using a flat iron. Did I ever tell you that?
No.
Yeah.
First time hearing this.
And it was before you and I got married, because I always styled my hair using a curling iron, and I would wrap it around, and that was like my ideal way to style it. And then she did her hair using a flat iron, and this is before 2012. That was, yeah, she taught me how to style my hair using a flat iron. Karina did. Your turn, honey. You brush it so gentle. I love it.
Yeah. So this is where I get confused, because I want to just do it like that, my wrist twist that way, but I need to go like untwist it, I guess, and then twist it like that.
I wish I could see what you're talking about.
I have to get into an unnatural position first.
Like with your wrist?
Yeah, because naturally I hold it like that,
Okay.
and then I get into then I twist it into an unnatural position.
I think I asked you this, but would you ever be a hairstylist?
Probably not.
I feel like you'd be very happy scissor happy. Yeah.
See, this is more unnatural for me because I'm twisting my arm.
What about if you hold the flat iron up instead of down? You know? I think you're going pretty quick. A lot faster than I am.
So this time I have to start in that unnatural position. So I start unnatural and then twist to my
What?
natural hold.
And so you're holding it almost at a 90-degree angle.
Did that work?
Mm-mm.
Maybe I needed more force. Yeah, I needed more force.
You gonna leave these hanging?
So that's where I'm starting, like that. And I'm twisting it this way.
I feel like you're kind of making it work against you. See, you know why you're not, I can see what you're doing now. You know why you're not getting good results?
Why?
Because you're not actually twisting the flat iron. You're just literally twisting the first part. You actually physically twist the flat iron, not the hair.
So I have to go 360.
Yes, but keep it at a 90, not
Like this?
keep it down instead of horizontal.
That one did not work.
I see it now. What is that?
All right.
So put the flat iron down. This, put it down, literally. Yep.
Okay.
Okay, that's a little
Good.
better. Okay, can I show you? Can I help you?
Go ahead, help me.
Okay, so look at this. You take a section of hair, and instead of going like this and then trying to twist, you start like this. See that?
For you might be easier because.
Well, try it. See if you can do that. See, like this, all the way down, and now twist it whichever way you need to go.
Like that.
But see, you're barely twisting the flat iron, and now going down. Did I just clamp you?
You clamp me with your nails, yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry. See, now the flat iron's working with you, not against you.
So you did 360. I only do 180.
Well, that's what I said. I've been doing 360. So now try it again. Like go literally all the way down.
So this, I have to go towards your face.
No. Just go away from my face, because this one went toward my face. See? Yep.
Okay, I'm going down.
Yep.
And just twist.
And then go a little bit more of a twist. Yep.
So you're putting a lot more tension in your hair.
Not really. You're putting more tension in my hair.
And what happened there at the end?
Because you didn't twist it. You see? You twisted at the top, but you didn't twist the flat iron. There you go. That's better. There you go. See? You have to do like all of the twisting in the beginning, and then you just very gently go down.
So away from your face.
Yes. Away from my face. Turn the flat iron out. Yep, there you go. And now you can gently drag it down. There you go. That's better. See? It's all kind of in the twist in the beginning.
Well, I can see if you do have to do the extra twist, because then you don't have to clamp it as hard or any of that stuff.
It seems weird at first, but it works. So always down. That's how I find it works best for me. I give it, you see how I'm actually twisting the flat iron?
Twisting it through at least 360.
Yes. And then you gently, and that way the hair doesn't overlap and it doesn't get stuck. Like what you were doing, it literally gets stuck over itself. And that way you don't go against your hair, if that makes any sense.
See, I was trying to do it all in one motion.
Yeah.
Without letting the iron go. I actually had to let the iron go and rotate my wrist
So again,
on the iron.
you put the hair through, you clamp it,
See,
you twist
you let
all
it-
the way,
Okay.
and then
Extra
you just go
twists.
down.
Extra twist.
In the beginning.
Yeah.
Like I don't twist it right now.
Afterwards.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to do the last one? Your honor?
Away.
Yep, away.
Make sure we don't. So we go 1, 2, and then.
Gently, just drag down. Is it perfect?
Magic.
Yep, look at that. It's just this.
Okay.
Now I have to I'm gonna have to straighten this one out a little bit. So do a smaller section.
Okay, it only took us 20 minutes to do that.
Let me do a little bit more of a twist. On
I
this
charge about $500 an hour.
one.
Get
Then
in
it
line.
only takes 20 minutes. All right, and then now what do we do to finish it off?
Gonna let it cool off and then
Tussle it.
tussle it with your fingers, and then what everybody hates, then you brush it out.
Tussle it. That's my favorite one. Tussle.
All right, it's been a couple of minutes.
Mm-hmm. After we fix some of the hair in the back, like towards the bottom. Thank you,
All right, so now we just tussle it. Is that the way you do it?
You start from the top with your fingers like this,
Oh,
like this,
Yeah.
and you literally just kind of like
I have
shake
to be
it
like
out.
you. Like, I have to make sure my hand is here then.
There you go.
Here you go. Let me tussle that for you.
Thank
Ooh,
you.
yeah.
You have to make sure the armpits smell good. I'm gonna brush it out.
This is my Q2 leaf, guys.
Well, we need
You're
to
crazy.
we need we need to see how it looks. I brush my hair out to make the style more softer, and I find that when I do brush it out, it kind of just like forms together in a way to make more of a cohesive look. I feel like some of mine are more loose than yours, just because I was trying to make it more loose.
All right, let's do the turnaround. Let's see. Okay, turn to the other side. yours is a little more loose.
Especially right here.
Yeah. I kind of went a little overboard because you were like criticizing that I wasn't.
I was not criticizing, I was helping you.
Well, when you were helping me, I went overboard.
How's the back?
From the back it looks, yeah, yours is just a little more loose. I got a little bit more waves, especially towards the front.
I think you did really
I have a
good.
practical skill now.
You can add that to your resume.
Yeah.
Personal hairstylist. You know who I think would love that?
Milana?
Yeah. Our Elodie.
Oh, heck yeah. I'll teach you how to do it.
Are you gonna do it for her?
I'll teach her.
Listen, come back. I think you did a fabulous job. I'm gonna take advantage of this now. I did it for myself. Thank you, Andre.
No problem.
You're the best. All right, guys. Thank you for hanging out with us and this fun challenge. And we'll see the next one very soon. Bye. Hope you guys learn a thing or two. Andre's a great teacher.